and then she would go back under the tree, go back to sleep. Apparently after 2 days, the blizzard broke and the community went up into the mountains looking for her, and there they found her, and she'd just been running around this tree for 2 days. She was tired, miserable, and cold, but she was alive. But the more survival bushcraft camping trips I do, the more I realize that this survival stuff is really a lot of work. You're gonna have to push yourself for hours every day just to make it. If you're not willing to work hard, and if you don't have that self-discipline, you're just not gonna get it done. But on that note, I think it's time to start packing up. Oh. Just blows me away how good of a job that fire does in clearing away the snow.